going on? Prince Beast Smoke Detailing. Today we are detailing this car here, Waterless Car Wash, right? And I'm getting guys to go ahead and start their own business because this car here, it's a $30 exterior wash. All right, these joints go like hotcakes, right? And it only takes you 5 to 10 minutes to do it. Let me show you how. All right, so this bottle right here, this size right here, this will do probably like, it's not even filled up. Right here where it's at right now, it'll probably do about 10 of these. We do 10 of these cars with just this bottle right here. All right, and it's real simple. You just simply spray it on and you wipe it off. All right, so you can see the dirt here. I've already sprayed it. You see the dirt right here. Now you just simply wipe in one direction. Now with this package, it comes with all the video training, with your brochures and different literature that you need to give out in order to get more clientele. It also comes with training on how to get more clientele. So watch how easy this is. Wash and wax. Okay, so this is gonna make it shine, and it's gonna add a coat of wax on top of it. So it's already sprayed, right? And you notice I'm going in one direction. I'm not going in circles. Now some places you might have to spray it a little bit more. Some places you might have to rub it twice. But for the most part, it's clean. So this product also works on the windows, all right? Here's your dirt. We're gonna flip this on over. And like I said, some places you might have to do twice. Okay, so as you can see, the whole car is done. It took me about a good 10, maybe 15 minutes to get it done, but had some tar at the bottom, kind of gave me a little bit of fight because this product, and he had mad bugs in the front. So this product removes bugs, tar, cleans the windows, cleans the rims, cleans the entire car in minutes with no water. All right, so it took me about 15 minutes. That's almost like $2 a minute. $2 a minute. All right, so let me get up out of here.
New Year's, I'm grinding. Christmas, I'm grinding. Thanksgiving, I'm grinding. I stay grinding.
My squad is goons, from moon to moon, from June to June. We boom and boom. Come place your bets while I wax the jets. I'm in the skybox watching the jets. Watch got stones. The prince is home. I return from Rome, all in chrome. Your mind is blown. My team is grown. I ship my product, rating drones. Sky's the limit, product tremendous. My team stupendous. I get it and flip it. 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 I get it and